Hey, good morning, everybody. It's another day. It's warm out here. It's not too bad. I guess it could be worse for being out here in Phoenix. It's July 21st, hot day. I'm going to be doing the rear brake pads on the Santa Fe over here. See how easy that was?
I could not get this tire off for nothing. Made me angry.
If it was a BMW, you'd have a lot more problems than that. Go check out my video. I'll put it in the link below. It took me like 6-7 minutes to take a tire off, and it has nothing to do with the bug nuts. Alright, so I'm gonna grab this 14. And these are definitely about time. Look at that. So, all you gotta do is just loosen the top on your ring and take it off. Make your life easier. Make your life easier with one of these bad boys. Okay? Set that in there. Press it back instead of turning that knob forever. That makes it hurt easier. Already done. Look at these brake pads. Look at that. Down to nothing. Just in time. Just in time. Now I saw some at my local parts store. I saw them for about $40. I went ahead and looked on Amazon. Got these Magnet, which is a good brand. Reputable name around. So I went ahead and just ordered these ones for only $23 instead of $40. Pretty nice. Just got some right here. Actually, it came with some grease. We can use that grease. Molly grape. Molly grape. Molly grape. Give you enough. Grease here. These little edges here. Slide it back on. Squeeze it. Doing disc brakes are pretty darn easy. Doing drum brakes are not that easy. Complicated, irritating. I'm sure glad they came up with a better idea. Man, this some like thick glue too. You can feel it. And just like that, we have one side done already. All this stuff's aluminum, so you don't have to really tighten it too tight. Mess up those threads. You just got to bind this whole piece. Right, that's it. Tie it back on. Alright, so this is the driver's side, rear. We're going to get on next. A little different camera view there. Don't mind doing these kind of brakes. They are simple. some of the Nissans and some other brands out there, once you get this off, it's like a cross. You have to have a special tool to get it off. Sometimes it's hand, sometimes. When you got the right tools, you can do anything. I've had this forever. Just like that. These are even with the other ones. The difference. Big difference. Grease these ones up too. Give us enough for 2 pads. Not enough. So a better than nothing solution. They got some super lithium green. Better than nothing. Just throw some on there the same way you would. That's the pin that lets you know when it's time to do your brakes. Put that one in the rear. And like that. Good job there. Get in there when you're done and get your tire on. Go the brakes about 5 to 6 times. That'll push the caliper back into the brakes. And you'll be set to go. Thank you everybody for